Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's movement, certainly updates need to be made. First, I'm going to do a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line. Sure, that level still pertains. It's just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep mapping this out as clean as possible. First update, though, that does need to be made and also played a role in today's movement is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And as I mentioned, that's already played out perfectly right here. So price gap down below it, and therefore, making it, what you would think to be a resistance. Sure enough, acted as resistance there and there. So on any sort of attempted bounce going forward, 72 cents is certainly going to be that near-term level of resistance. For more of the overarching point of view, keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, right now valued at 76 cents. But one hurdle at a time, that first key level that needs to be broken now, right there at 72. As far as levels of support are concerned, initial level of support has nothing fancy or complicated behind it other than the fact of the bleeding finally stopped today right down there at 67 during that first 30 minutes. So 67 is going to be that near-term level for that reason and that reason alone. In the event 67 does not quite hold up, then next key level of support, and I realize chart is a little bit hard to see, but next key level would then be down here around the 64-cent mark, which is an area I talked about last week. So 67, 64, next couple of key levels to watch going forward. But, the downwards momentum continues. And sure, it's the start of a new week, but it's looking like it's just picking right back up where it left off last week. So we'll see if the bulls can try to stabilize out here at any point over the next few days. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.